Om Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Simple Meaning, Chapter 3, Karma Yoga, verse 22. न मे पार्थास्ति कर्तव्यम् त्रिषु लोकेषु किञ्चन नानवाप्तमवाप्तव्यम् वर्त एव च कर्मणि। न मे पार्थः अस्ति कर्तव्यम्। न मे पार्थः अस्ति कर्तव्यम् त्रिषु लोकेषु किंचन नानवाप्तव्यम्, that is न अवाप्तव्यम्। नानवाप्तम् अवाप्तव्यम्, here two words are there. नानवाप्तम अवाप्तव्यम्, नानवाप्तम् अवाप्तव्यम् वर्त एव च कर्मणि। The Anvaya goes like this: O Partha, O son of Pritha, Kunti, may for me kartavyam, duty, na asti, does not exist, trishu lokeshu, in the three worlds. Avaptavyam, to be attained, nanavaptam, impossible to attain, kimchana, anything, na, does not exist, cha, still, karmani, in action, varte, am engaged, eva, verily. In all the three worlds there is nothing, O son of Pritha, that is binding on me as duty. Neither is there anything that I have to gain, nor anything that I cannot gain. Still, I am always engaged in work. In continuation of the praise of Karma Yoga by the Lord, where he says the noble people should also work to set an example to the common people. In the previous chapters we saw where he gives the example of Janaka and all, and then yadyadacharati shreshtaha tattadevetro janaha yat pramanam krute lokah tad anuvartate. So here now he is giving his own example as an incarnation of the divine. Shri Krishna, he is telling, hey Arjuna, son of Pritha, the another name for Kunti, son of Pritha, Arjuna, look at me. I have nothing to attain in the three worlds, and yet I am constantly engaging myself in action. Why do we work? That sense of duty comes from a certain need in people to obtain something from the societies, from this world, and you return that to society through a sense of duty. Though a divine incarnation, Shri Krishna played various roles such as a political leader, a spiritual teacher, a philosopher, a friend, a brother, in so many roles as depicted in Mahabharata. Everybody sought his help, everybody looked up to him. But as he doesn't need anything for himself, as a result he need not do anything, there is no need for him to do any work. but he never lived a lazy life. We see in Mahabharata, his life is full of action. He is the perfect karma yogi which he is preaching to the mankind in this Bhagavad Gita. Whatever he is preaching, he has demonstrated in his life. In the midst of the constant work, the disturbance, the pressure of work outside, constantly changing scenarios, the situations, troublesome and happy, all this, in the midst of all those things, he kept himself calm. We always see Krishna smiling. Wherever Krishna is depicted, always with a beautiful smile on his face. We hear those praise of Krishna, in praise of Krishna, a beautiful smile on his face. But we see how intense was his life with activity, with action. So he is giving his own example here. Name partasti kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptam avaptavyam vartayeva cha karmani. Even then, vartayeva cha karmani. Even I don't have anything which I need to attain or which I cannot attain, but I still work. Varta eva cha karmani. I am active, engaged, varta eva, in karma, karmani. With his own demonstration, he is preaching to all of us, to the whole mankind. And also, how to do that work, how to be active, how to perform the action, that also he is teaching to us with a detached attitude. One should work. So that itself will take us to the higher goal of our life, that is the realization of the self and be free. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu.